explaining the brain. The brain represents the weakened government and soon fallen empire. Instead of the emperor putting power into the government officials, they hired eunuchs. Plus, the stability of the Ming rule allowed intruders to raid and conquer over the people. The emperor technically lost his mandate of heaven because the peasants were also organizing a revolt throughout China.
My name's Aliette Garcia. The heart represents the source of the Ming Dynasty, which was silver production. The mining of silver supplied the empire's economy and allowed stability throughout the region. Due to weakened government and constant raids, the Ming Dynasty lost power and the Ming economy fell along with the little silver production. Without the dynasty's source of balance, the rest of the empire was prone to famine, invasion, and overall corruption.
Go.
Hi, my name is Brenda. Wei Qingdong doesn't have an arm due to pirate attacks. Pirate attacks were fairly common throughout the Ming Dynasty and were one of the main reasons that resulted in the empire's fall. I wasn't finished with that. The ear of Wei Qingdong is cut off because it represents the empire ignoring the government affair as well as their citizens. The ignorance helped cause the empire to fall.
Hi, my name is David Luna. Since a series of famines struck China, Wei Chengdong has malnutrition. The government didn't really supervise the food that was going around, only satisfied their own things. This is the ribs here. You can't see.
Okay. Hi, my name is Guadalupe, and today I will be talking about the bone marrow, which represents the protection and defense system of the Ming Dynasty. Before the Ming Dynasty had collapsed, the emperors sought to protect the realm by building empires. But the navy and coastal defenses was useless when pirates disrupted the coastal community and the interior area in the 1520s and 1530s, which was one reason why the Ming Dynasty declined.